Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of nasaan na ba tayo? Aquarius. Aquarius, this is for June 2024. Okay. Okay, ulitin natin to. Okay. Unahin natin ang general forecast. Susundan to ng career and money. And then money and then relationships. And then advice. Alright. So, Aquarius. Nahuli tayo because ang dami nating ginagawa. Kaya ito, hinahabol natin ang reading ninyo. Okay? So, let's see. Aquarius, ano bang nangyayari sa inyo? It feels like there's a lack of satisfaction. There is also a lack of connection when it comes to your, maybe your kabataan or something about your past. In June 2024, Aquarius, I can see na parang there are things na pwedeng maitama and maitatama siya. And nakikita ko din na parang magkakaroon ng improvement yung mga bagay sa iyo, no? Yun yung yun yung energies na meron dito. You have the advice card na 3 of Pentacles. Ang important sa iyo is to communicate with other people, plan with them, create this sense of cooperation and teamwork, and parang tawag dito bayanihan, ganyan. Parang kailangan very very helpful kayo sa isa't isa, maging open ka sa communication, maging open ka sa ideas ng ibang tao. If you can do that, things would feel as if parang lahat bago, lahat magiging okay. Okay? Parang parang bagong ligo, yun yung dating. Parang bago yung lahat ng mga nangyayari. Parang you will feel like gusto mong i-try ang mga bagay. Ganyan. Okay? So, ayun lang. Parang you need to be really just be open to other people. Kasi nga, para maramdaman mo yung ganado, maramdaman mo yung encouragement. Okay? Punta na tayo sa career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you are on YouTube, and like and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ito sa mga kilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang to support this channel. Para blessings lang ang umiikot sa community natin. Okay? When it comes to your career and money, Aquarius, you have the 4 of Cups here. 4 of Cups is telling me na parang maybe there is something about the past na pwede mong balikan and see kung paano ka naging successful or kung paano ka nagkaroon ng kind of progress, no? You have the Knight of Swords in the past. It tells me na parang siguro hindi ka ganun ka-confident or hindi ka ganun ka-productive when it comes to new ideas, or when ka ganun ka kumbaga medyo mababa yung yung encouragement, or medyo mababa yung production ninyo, no? You have the Page of Wands here, and it's telling me na baka your ideas siguro na hindi ganun ka matured pa. Maybe there are things na parang you need to look into that, or parang hindi siya ganun ka pa, kumbaga hindi na nag-work yung dati na parang usual na ginagawa mo. So you might have to change things up. I don't know. Okay? And then you have the Queen of Swords as your potential outcome, potential result, no? So, this is telling me na may potential ka talagang maging, you can be this person na parang napakagaling, napaka-successful, you know what you want, you know what to do, and you know kung paano, and kung sino ang kakausapin or what. You know, parang napakaganda lang nun kasi parang hindi ka ganun ka hindi ka pa ganun ka right now, kasi parang ang daming challenges mo yata kasi ayan, no, parang yung ideas or what na parang hindi masyadong nagte-take ng something, any progress for you, ganyan. Pero ang advice sa'yo is the 8 of Swords. There are things na minsan hindi mo kaya or you cannot be in control. There are things na parang kumbaga wala kang say. Wala kang magiging, kahit anong gawin mo hindi siya magiging makakatulong. So hayaan mo lang. It's just, ganoon lang siya. It's just that makikita mo naman sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga bagay na parang hindi pa siya masyadong nagiging work, and you will be able to have those ideas kung paano mo gagawin. Okay, relationships na tayo. Relationships. Kung meron po kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood ang 2024 forecast, meron po yan sa videos ko, and you just have to go there and watch it. Okay? You have the King of Discs, and this is telling me na may mga situations, or maybe you have this feelings when it comes to your family na parang hindi ka siguro masyadong masaya, no? And it's affecting people around you. Or maybe baliktad, baka sila din, or baka alam mo yun, naghalo-halo na. So, ayun nga kasi nga may mga tampuhan ito. There are things na parang hindi masyadong inaaksyonan, hindi masyadong ginagawa ng paraan. But what I can see here is that marami sigurong bagay na kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? You have the Two of Swords here. You may need to decide very, very carefully on things. Okay? You may need to do some kind of kumbaga kailangan mo nang maging mas careful sa pag-decide. Okay? You have the Judgment here in as your potential energy, and this is telling me na magiging okay din naman ang lahat. Alam mo yun, napakamadaming nangyayari dito, but things will be fine. Ang daling sabihin ng will be fine but ang gawin mo na lang, mag-decide ka ng very, very, very pag-isipan mo yung mga gagawin mo. Okay, Aquarius. So ano ang mga advice sa'yo? You have the Three of Pentacles here. Cooperate with other people. Be this person na very open sa ideas and share your ideas din. Okay, you need to be very, very communicative and be very cooperative. May mga bagay din na you don't have any choice, kalimutan mo na lang yun. Wag mo na, kung hindi mo na siya, wala siya sa control mo, ano gagawin mo, di ba? And you need to be decide on things very, very, very tawag dito, pag-isipan ng mabuti. Ayan, alright? So, yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.